Are you trying to lose belly fat, but somehow it's stubbornly staying? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm telling you the 5 things you must stop doing right now if you actually want to see that flat belly. Ready? Let's go. Mistake 1. Skipping breakfast. Many people think skipping breakfast helps lose weight. Wrong. Skipping breakfast equals slower metabolism plus more cravings later. Eat a protein-rich breakfast like eggs, yogurt, or oats to stay full and avoid overeating at lunch. Mistake 2. Starving yourself. Cutting calories to extreme levels might seem smart, but your body hates it. Starvation equals slower metabolism plus belly fat storage. Eat balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Your belly will shrink without feeling miserable. Mistake 3. Sitting all day. Sitting is the silent belly fat helper. Sitting 8+ hours per day equals fat storage, bloating, weak core. Take short walks, stretch, or do mini workouts. Even 10 to 15 minutes after meals helps digestion plus burns calories. Mistake 4. Too much sugar and soda. Sugar is the sneaky belly fat villain. Soda, candies, and desserts spike insulin, stored as fat. Swap sugary drinks for water, green tea, or infused water. Mistake 5. Ignoring sleep and stress. Sleep and stress play a huge role in belly fat. Less sleep, more hunger hormones, craving junk food. Stress, cortisol equals belly fat storage. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, practice deep breathing, or chill activities. Your belly will calm down too. So, Momos, if you want a flat belly, stop doing these 5 things right now. Small changes equal big results. Comment below which mistake you've been guilty of. Let's laugh, cry, and fix it together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more fun, science-backed tips.